Right, this tutorial is for my drawing with AutoCAD class. We're going to take a look at creating the wedge spacer, the first part we're going to make in this course. Here's what we're going to end up with, and we're going to set these multi-view drawings, use some orthographic projection, and we'll change line type to create this hidden line. First thing, I would start off by creating a box for the front view. We can key in our dimensions. We have an overall length of 3.75. When I hit tab, that will allow me to input the other dimension, which is the height in this view. So I've now created a rectangle for the first view. Constructing a 45-degree angle line, which we will then use for projection from the top and right side views. I'm going to use a spacing between the views of 1.5. I want to project the overall height, and now I'm going to create the width for the right side view. I can project all other dimensional information to the top view. When I come to this 45-degree angle line and I project off of the length from the front, I can now create the length in the top view. I want to create the width for the top view, again by projecting off of the 45, setting my overall length, and now I have my width. These are construction lines. I'm just going to take them off to declutter the drawing as we continue to work. This being a rectangle, these four are all connected. I can't drag corners. Well, I can, but I don't want to. I need to explode this view. So in the top ribbon, we're going to explode this rectangle. Now these are independent lines. There's a little notched step here. I'm just going to stretch to the midpoint, which is 0.75. 0.75 over and straight up. I'm going to project this information to the top view. This is where that 60-degree angle then takes place in the top view. Stretch this one back. So now I've created a notch in the end. I'm going to project straight down. This will give us information once we create this 60-degree angle. It's over 0.75 across the bottom and a 60-degree angle.
Could you come to the office? Nick or Vicky, could one of you dial 8001, please?
Make sure that you are not snapping to the midpoint. It will not create that 60-degree angle. I'm aware that it's saying 120 on the screen. That is the inverse angle of 60. 0.75 in. This does come out to the end, and this will be the notch then in the top view. So I'm going to drag this back, stretch this back, and delete my construction lines. I do have to create this projection for this edge that would then be shown in the front view. So as of now, my top and my front view are complete. The dimensions for the right side view are not complicated, but I am going to use the projection method. 45 projection. This is that object line at the split, and now I need the horizontal hidden line that I'm just going to project over. They are both off the midpoint. You could just use the midpoint. So this line here in the right side view needs to be hidden. I'm going to change my line type to hidden 2. It turns to dashed. I am done using the projection method. I'm going to delete that. So here we have created the orthographic or multi-view drawing of the wedge spacer.